जब शैलजा जो मेरी मैनेजर है जब उनका फ़ोन आया था शैलजा को मालूम है कि विच प्रोडक्ट्स आई वुड एंडोर्स एंड विच नॉट एंड वो मुझे पूछ रही कि भाईजान एक इंक्वायरी आया है नैपी के लिए विल यू डू इट आई एम लाइक यू नो विच इज़ द ब्रांड and she said steady and I said of course I'll do it because I used the product. I was shocked. It's something that was completely like she would expect me to say yes. She'd say are you mad, don't be stupid. I would say something like that, but because I was using the product and I swear to God it's a phenomenal product. So as a mother I'm like, you know what, if it's something I endorse, especially in terms of babies and children, it's something I believe in, you know, and I want to take very seriously. So I won't go there and talk about a product that I don't have any clue about, especially when it concerns a child. You know, I think I take that role a bit responsibly. So because I use it, I was like, way to go. But I was shocked. It was a fluke.
Now, as a mother, the last question, as a mother, what kind of message you like to give to the other mother? Like, very, very, you know, day-to-day, very simple things to take care about the child.
Okay. Yeah. Well, मैं 2 बच्चे की माँ हूँ and बहुत ही you know बहुत कुछ सीखना है मुझे, but there's one thing I could kind of give as a bit of not advice but as a bit of you know a suggestion to other mothers is spend quality time with your child. You know, it's not about how many hours you put together, it's what you do in the time you spend with your child is very very important. And I think एक बच्चे का जो hygiene है सबसे important चीज़ होता है, so don't compromise on that. You know, and if budgets are an issue, you know, like I use a nappy pad during the day and a diaper in the night. Try and do that. You know, but to all moms, you know, सब लोग मुझे कहते हैं कि these are the best years of your life when they are little. Enjoy them, and that's what I plan on doing.